So welcome everybody, our down dog yoga challenge day 9. And I've got Fiona with me today. We're going to do yoga today together. Okay, how are you, Fiona? How are you feeling?
Hello, I'm great. How are you?
Yeah, all well, all good.
Lovely. I'm looking forward to it. And thank you to everybody who's joining us in the Pawsitivity campaign and doing this challenge with us. So, yeah, great stuff.
Yeah, so get yourself ready and we're going to start right now.
Thank you. Here we go.
Okay, feet with your hips width apart. Inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale to this back and down. So really trying to lengthen your spine, stretch your upper body, shoulders, chest, and your arms. Few more deep breaths in and slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And now right arm to your left, nice stretch on your right side. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale, lift. And slowly exhale to your left side. And two more. Inhale, slowly exhale. One more time. Now to your right. Inhale, slowly exhale. And relax. Roll your shoulders. And forward. And now inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale, fold forward. Bring your knees on the floor. Hands underneath your shoulders. Tuck your toes under, arch your back, so just pushing belly down and look forward. And as you exhale, from your hips, tuck your pelvis under, press your feet to the floor and head down. So really try to work with your hips, with your lower back. Now, great stretch to have healthy back without any pain. So just working for good mobility in this area. We stretch your glutes muscles as well. Perfect. And now if your toes stuck under, slowly lift your hips, lift your knees, and hold down the position. Let's march on the spot. And slowly back on your floor. Move your right leg forward. I'm going to change position so you can see. I've got left knee on the floor, squeezing glutes on your left side, hands together. Inhale. Now as you exhale towards your right leg. Nice twist. Inhale. Exhale. Can stay more upright, or if you find, try elbow towards your knee. Inhale and slowly exhale. Make sure you got good balance. So pressing front foot down to the ground. Inhale and slowly exhale. And try the same. Your left leg, front of you. Inhale, slowly exhale. More upright if you're struggling with this position, or if you're fine, try left elbow to your right knee. Feel this nice stretch. Your lower back, building strength in your core at the same time. Stretching your legs, your glutes. And one more. Excellent. Now, on your forearms, slowly bring your hips. The very safe transition. You can stay on your forearms, more like a baby cobra. I'm still preparing for full up dog position, so you can just press your elbows, shoulders down, squeeze your glutes, buttocks muscles. Or if you're fine, lower back is okay. Hands in line with your shoulders, but start first wider. Okay, then your shoulders width apart. And you're just checking how your lower body is responding. How is your spine? No discomfort in this area, okay? If you need to stop, that's okay. Inhale and exhale. Great stretch for your upper body. Also, you strengthen the back, your lower back, your glutes. Bring your forearms, press your elbows, knees to lift your hips, and slowly to child pose to stretch your lower back. So it could be, as you remember, if your hips higher, maybe you've got toes stuck under, so you can bring your hips a little bit lower, or you're fine, your feet flat, toes pointing back, and you're almost sitting on your feet, on your heels. Now on your four, hands with your shoulders width apart, knees with your hips, lower back nice and flat, and now left leg. Inhale, lift. As you exhale, bend your knee and try to swing forward. Inhale, straight leg, not too high off the floor, just to lift. Inhale and exhale. Feel your core muscles, your abs, your obliques. Perfect. Last one. And now right leg. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. And again, toes stuck under to down dog. You can still find. Join us for more down dog today. Try if you've got more flexibility to move your body, your chest, rib cage towards your legs, your head between your arms. And slowly on your forearms, remember the safe transition to try your own option for now for up dog. So maybe on your forearms, more like a baby cobra, maybe you're lifting higher, but still keeping hips on the floor, which is fine. But maybe someone is ready to lift your hips off the ground if your lower back is still okay. And slowly to child pose. Okay. Toes stuck under to the deep squat position and slowly go up. Inhale, arms up. And slowly exhale. Relax your shoulders. Okay, so thank you. Day 9. More stretching, more down dog, up dog. How was it?
Right. Yep, feeling strong. That's good. Thank you so much.
Excellent. Your dog looks so relaxed.
Just sleeps through everything, doesn't it?
Oh, wow. Looks super comfy. Amazing. So, yeah, you're going to join me tomorrow.
Definitely.
It's going to be day 10 of our challenge. So, thank you. If you enjoyed it, please give us thumbs up and the comments how you're doing, if you're feeling any progress with the strength and flexibility in your body. And yeah, maybe already try to be more relaxed and focus on your own body, which is a good thing to do. Just forget, even for 5 or now 8 minutes, just on your own individual needs. So thank you for now, and yeah, we will see you tomorrow again for more yoga. Bye for now.
Bye. Thank you.